Hi, welcome to my project 1 for the CS50’s web programming course. So, let's register a new user. We have some data to fill. First name Andrew, last name Wiles.Andrew, password 1234. Submit. Okay, let's go to the login. Wiles Andrew, okay, password 1234, login. As we can see on the top of the bar, we are logged with the username wiles.andrew. Now we have the search field. We can perform a search with the part of the author name, part of the title, or part of the ISBN number. Now try with part of the ISBN number with 511, and we retrieve all the books that have 511 in the ISBN number. Let's take a look at It by Stephen King. Now we have a table with all the information about the book. We have a review count and average rating that these data are generated by a function that combine the data picked from the site Goodreads with the data in the database. So in the count of the review count, there are also these 2, 4, 5 review. Let's write a new review. We can see this number increase to 80s. And also the average rating is updated. So title, good book, wow, let's make a 5-star rating, submit. And since we have sent this is our review, and since we have already sent a review for this book, we don't have the form for the review submit anymore, and the review count is updated. Let's take a view at the API. So let's copy the ISBN number. We can also log out. If we go to the API page, we are getting some information about the API usage. So let's append our ISBN number, and we get a JSON with all the data that we need. And if we should put a invalid ISBN number, we get an error message. Lastly, there is the database schema. We have 4 tables, one for the book, one for the books, one for the reviews, one for the users, and another one for the user info, if we want to register more information about our users. Thank you for your patience, and goodbye.